Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to bring you a super delicious, easy to make and protein packed one pot meal that you can whip up anytime. This creamy lime chicken also, it's an absolute game changer for busy days. Let's quickly look at what we need before we start cooking. First, take a bowl and add the chicken pieces. Then season the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of oregano. Mix everything well and set the chicken aside to marinate for a short while. Place a pan on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken. Sear the chicken on both sides until it turns a lovely golden brown color. Once cooked, take the chicken out and keep it aside. Use the same pan and add more tablespoon of oil. Add the crushed garlic. Next, add the finely chopped onion. Cook until softened. Now add the cherry tomatoes and stir well. Add the orzo to the pan. And mix well. One and a half cup of chicken broth, half teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cool for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and half cup of the heavy cream. Add the precious spinach. Now add the chicken back into the pan. And add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Cover the pan again and let it simmer on low heat for about 2 minutes. Sprinkle the top with some fresh dill. Our delicious one-pot chicken orzo is now ready. I really hope you try this recipe at home and enjoy the flavors. To watch more videos like this and join my cooking journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be back soon with a new video. Until then, bye.